This stuff's been picked clean.
Because of their garish yellow plumage and cute eyes, Tweety birds such as this one have been hunted nearly into extinction and used to adorn t-shirts and book bags.
I'm a werebird, all right.
And now, children, if you'll follow me to the next exhibit, Tweety will join us for the rest of our tour. Here we see the famous Foucault pendulum, which proves the Earth rotates. Though personally, I still believe the Earth is flat. Quitting time. Good night, sweetie. See you in the morning.
I thought I caught a pudding. Putty Cat, what are you doing?
Shut up and whistle. Don't move. Oh.
Aw, poor Putty Cat blew his nose. Hello, Putty Cat.
Sorry, kid, I ain't your mama.
Oh, Mr. Putty Cat.
The digestive system. First, the food is chewed. The teeth in front are for cutting, and the teeth in back are for grinding. Next, the peristaltic muscles force the food down the esophagus into the stomach. The stomach fills with digestive acid, which softens the food into a liquid state. From there, the food makes a lengthy journey through the small intestine. Then on to the large intestine, the colon. And finally, what remains is eliminated as waste.
Are you okay, Putty Cat? You were pooped. Puddy Tat's hat 9 wide.